The following introduces the basic operation of the DELEM DAC 360T shearing machine system. Click the file icon to access the program management interface, which displays the saved and used programs in the list. Click New Product to create a new program. Enter the program name in the Product ID field. Set sheet thickness. Edit the x-axis distance. Stock means count, which is the number of cuts. Edit back gauge distance. Complete the program editing for cutting. Display the program you just edited in all steps. This is the manual interface. You can manually position the device. All parameters here can be set. You can select system settings to modify system parameters such as language and mm/inch. Click Run and press the foot switch. The machine will then start operating.